Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. So guys, I want to help you solve the Tomarket cheating detected problem on how you can solve it. I'm going to be helping you show you how you can find your Telegram ID and also how you can get your Tomarket wallet address. I'm going to be explaining full detail on how you can do it and successfully make this appeal properly, so that at the end of the day you will get back your account and get back your allocation. So guys, make sure you stay connected and listen attentively and carefully so you don't make any mistake, because I'm going to be detailed with my explanation. So if you are seeing my channel for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please make sure you subscribe now. As you are listening to me, make sure you subscribe. Drop a thank you for me in the comment section, because at the end of this video you will know why I say you should drop thank you, because I'm going to be detailed and precise. Now quickly, once you see this cheating detected, the first thing you are going to do is to do not panic. Now just tap on this appeal. Many of you have appeal, but you don't even know how to appeal properly. So if you tap on this appeal, it's going to bring you to this face. Now I'm going to be explaining it carefully one after the other. Now first of all, once it brings you to this face, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is they are going to ask you, what is your Telegram ID? Now many people do not even know how to locate their Telegram ID, so I will be helping you, show you how you can locate your Telegram ID. I'm not on Telegram now, so I'll just quickly switch to my Telegram and show you how you can also locate it yourself. Now the first thing they say, what's your Telegram ID? So now let's head straight to Telegram. Now you just navigate straight to your Telegram. So once Telegram just open, I'll be telling you the bots you are going to search. Then once you make a search on this bot, it's going to help you bring your Telegram ID successfully and generate it for you. So now once you just log into Telegram, the first thing you do is to tap on this search icon. So once you tap on search icon on Telegram, you are going to just type get IDS then BOT. Are you seeing it, guys? Get IDS then BOT. Now this is it, get IDS BOT. Make sure you are watching carefully, don't make any mistake. So once you tap on get IDS BOT, I've already tapped on it before, but if you have not tapped on it before, it's not going to show like this. It's just going to come with the start bot. So if it comes on start bot, now this is it. So once it loads up, now you are going to see different detail. Now for me, now you see this is my Telegram ID, the first digit. Now it's about, let's say, is it 12 or something? This is the number. Are you guys seeing it? Now this is my Telegram ID. I've gotten it already. So guys, why not subscribe? I just solved one for you now. So subscribe, drop me a thank you for this. Now the next thing for us to do now, let me go and answer the rest question. First, we have located our Telegram ID. So guys, the next question is what's your wallet address? Now your wallet address, remember you connected your Tomarket to BitGet wallet. So what you are going to do is that once you just go straight to once you log into BitGet, just search for Toncoin. So once you search for Toncoin address, bring that Toncoin address, copy it and come and paste it here, because that's what you'll be using for as your wallet address. So that's your BitGet address. So just go and copy Toncoin. Just go to BitGet. Once you go to BitGet wallet, search for Toncoin, copy the receive address for Toncoin and come and paste it here. That's your wallet address. Then the next thing they are going to ask is that, when did you first participated in Tomarket? Now many people might be confused when they first started in Tomarket. So now let me show you how to do that. I will just go to my Tomarket. Now if you go to your Tomarket, if you want to just know when you first started farming Tomarket, guys, make sure you subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section. Let me know where you are watching this video from. So what you just need to do is to just scroll through. If you scroll through, the very first day that you clicked on Tomarket, it will appear here. Now for me, I started farming Tomarket as at July 14. So you see it's appearing here. So for you, the date it appeared, that's what you just go and paste it there. Then the next question is what is your current level? That is the level you are before the snapshot kicked off. Just go and put that level. Is it bronze? Whatever level you are, make sure you are honest with this, because if you put any false information, you are going to be out. It's not going to be, the appeal it's not going to work out. Then the next thing is, do you have the premium medal? You know, there was this premium medal they asked us for 1 ton. If you didn't do it, be honest, said no. If it's yes, you put yes. Then they say, how much money have you spent on Tomarket so far? That is to say, if you have bought stars or there are times where you had to buy stars and everything. Just make a total sum of that money you spent and but indicate it here. That's it for this. And the next question they are going to ask is that which country or region are you from? So for country, just indicate the exact country, whether you are from Nigeria, you are from India, you are from whatever country you are, Ghana, whatever country you are from, just put it there. And the next thing, they are going to ask you for an email address. Ensure what you fix in a working email address. Use a working email address so that once they send you an email that they will need your feedback, or for you to click a link or something whatsoever, you put that email there and you click it. Then the next thing they are going to ask is that please fill in the detailed description of your appeal. Now what you are just going to write here, simply put, let me just help you with a little description. You are going to say, hi Tomarket team, I am a member and I'm a member of Tomarket airdrop. I have been farming the airdrop in honesty and I didn't use any form of cheating whatsoever. Please guys, I'm making an appeal for my account to be restored back. Let me repeat myself again. Hi team Tomarket, I am a member of Tomarket airdrop and I've been farming this airdrop without any form of cheating. Please, I'm making an appeal for my account to be restored back to me because I didn't do any form of cheating whatsoever. So you can just do something better than this. I'm just trying to freestyle it, but I'm just giving you an idea. Just indicate to them that your account was flagged for cheating and you didn't actually engage in any form of cheating. They should rectify that and give you a good snapshot. Now the next, they are going to ask you, please upload any relevant picture. So maybe you just go to your Telegram, then you just screenshot that option where they showed you that cheating detected. So you just screenshot it. You understand? Maybe screenshot it, then screenshot when you started farming Tomarket. Maybe just screenshot those two pictures, then you come and paste it here. After you do that, then tap on submit. After all this process, we don't know how long it's going to take, but I believe within this first few weeks it's going to rectify and they'll give you your allocation. So guys, remember I told you guys, make sure you subscribe, you like and you comment. Drop me a thank you in the comment section guys, and make sure you stay connected to my channels because I also post different kind of airdrop that are payable and you are going to make money from. So ensure you watch this video that is popped up on my screen that you are seeing right now. Watch it. That's another paying airdrop that is going to pay well and is ending in this month of November, and there are as well different airdrops on how to earn ton coin on my page. Make sure you watch it guys, and do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you join my Telegram channel because I always post airdrops for review and good airdrop that are payable. So guys, make sure you join my Telegram channel. It's in the link, it's in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe now. Thank you guys for watching. Drop me a thank you in the comment section. Thank you guys.